The publication of a Donald Trump tax return is renewing pressure on the Republican nominee to release more information. The documents in the New York Times show Trump reported almost $1 billion in business losses on his 1995 income taxes. Jan Crawford is looking closely at those filings to see what they reveal about Trump's finances. Jan, good morning.
Well, good morning. The Times, of course, published 3 pages from Donald Trump's state tax returns, and the accountant who prepared one of them told CBS this morning they appear authentic. Now, the filings show staggering losses that Trump could have used to avoid paying federal income taxes for up to 18 years. Donald Trump has campaigned as a savvy businessman. The tax returns leaked to the New York Times suggest his companies were hemorrhaging huge amounts of money. In those 1995 filings, Trump claimed about $6,000 in wages and more than $7 million in interest income. But he also deducted almost $16 million from real estate losses and another $909 million in net operating losses from his other businesses.
Well, we call it the billion-dollar dream, and it is the billion-dollar dream, but it's a dream of beauty and fantasy.
At the time, Trump's Atlantic City casinos, as well as his airline, were struggling to make a profit.
We are looking to make this into one of the really fine airlines anywhere in the world.
Tax experts told CBS this morning Trump did nothing wrong by claiming those losses in order to avoid paying taxes on his income that year and in subsequent years.
Nobody in the tax business would describe that as a loophole. It's one of the things that makes the system fair. When you lose money, you never pay taxes.
But the experts said the size of Trump's losses, nearly $1 billion, make this case very unusual. Steve Rosenthal is at the Tax Policy Center.
There's a real question as to whether those losses are economic through spectacular failures in Mr. Trump's business, tax avoidance, perhaps lawful, or maybe something much worse.
It's possible some of it wasn't even Trump's own money.
If he borrowed from a bank, it's their money that disappeared. It's almost inconceivable that he's actually out of pocket $900 million. In essence, he's deducting their losses.
The leaked filings also don't reveal exactly how Trump earned his income, whether any of it came from foreign sources, or how much he gave to charity.
There are plenty of things we could figure out if we can only see more of his taxes, but all we see for now is one narrow glimpse.
Now, at this point, it's unclear how many years Trump claimed those losses on his income taxes. Trump's accountant said that $900 million figure actually had too many digits for his tax preparation software. So as a result, he had to enter part of the number manually using a typewriter. Gail?
Typewriter, I remember those. Thank you very much, Jan.